Hoganson with MCTV here at Sailfish Splash Water Park, the county's premier destination for water park fun. And I'm here with my buddy Trey Merlin. What's up, buddy?
Not really much.
Nothing much. You're at the park. You're at the water park.
I'm just playing.
You're just playing. What's your favorite thing about this water park?
Just the big slides and like the little play area, playing with my sister, and pretty much just going in the lazy river.
Tell me what we should do first.
I think we should go in the lazy river first.
Why's that?
Because it's my favorite ride, literally.
It's your favorite?
Yeah.
Well, Trey, if you ask me, I think it's time for us to get in the water. What do you say? Should we just do it? Let's go. Sailfish Splash Water Park in Martin County offers a little something for everybody.
We're cruising!
7-year-old Trey Merlin, a self-proclaimed professional Sailfish Splash Water Parker, took me on a tour. We started with the 1,000-foot lazy river. A slow-moving current makes for some sweet moves, but it's also just right to chill.
It's the life right here, man. It's all my style.
The main event in the center of the park is the zero-depth entry 7,000 square foot splash playground with jets, sprays, slides, and a dump bucket to soak everybody. The park offers plenty of shade, private cabana rentals, and a full-service concession stand.
It's called Wiggly Waters, almost my favorite thing to do.
The child-only attraction lets kids balance on little floating islands while holding on to the rope above, trying not to fall in the water. And a trip to the water park is not complete without a ride on the 2 4-story slides. If you're tall enough, of course. We are at the pinnacle, at the top, literally the top of the park, 4 stories up. Kind of doesn't look that scary from down below, but we're kind of high up here. What do you think?
Yeah, but I'm not so scared. Going down a water slide, and it's gonna be fun!
The 2 slides offer a totally different experience. On one hand, you have the open slide, affectionately called Greeny Bikini by Trey, and on the other...
Trey, I'm looking at this other slide. It's like a dark tube in there. Is it scary at all?
No, it's kind of scary, but not too scary. I think you can handle it.
Oh, it is dark. Holy cow, it's black in here. Oh, there's the light.
For times, cabana reservations, or to throw a birthday party, call the park at 772-320-3100 or visit their website at sailfishsplash.com.
So if you want to have crazy fun on the slides and other rides at the water park, it's a good time, or you just want to chill on the lazy river, it's a good time too. For Trey, I'm Bob. We'll see you at the water park.